The 1939 World's Fair was one of the great acts of packaging of all time. It was the birth of modern design, of consumer culture, and the source for a lot of visions for technologies and cities. This is where the idea of the suburbs were really introduced. It's where GM introduced all of the highways that would then become the highway system of the 1960s that would then lead to a lot of the sustainability issues we have today. Television, fluorescent lights, it was a canvas from which tomorrow was built. And General Motors was the star with its Futurama that wanted to show us the world of 1960. And we yearned to see the future because the present was kind of bleak. And like everything else in that industrial era, our role in tomorrow was that of consumer. We took the future sitting down. Newspapers had their readers, NBC had his audience, and we received our future in the GM Futurama, where we sat in great wonder as they showed us what the future will look like. Now, Futurama was this ride that you sat in, and then you went over a model of what the future would look like. It was an immersive experience, kind of what we might achieve in a motion simulator today. And here is a clip from back then as they were laying out in 1939 the future.
And now we see a great river city of 1960. Here is an American city replanned around a highly developed modern traffic system. On all express city thoroughfares, the rights of way have been so rooted as to displace outmoded business sections and undesirable slum areas whenever possible. A vast circular airport is close to the city with a giant dirigible hangar so that it can be turned easily to meet any wind direction. It is resting in a pool of liquid.
The future, delivered in a pool of liquid. But also notice there was a view of urbanism back then, which was basically cities were a problem, they were blight, they should be fixed, and we should move the hell out.